So viewers and subs, wagwan. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Vybz Kartel a reunite with him family. Plus we also have King Tavii. Yeah man, police beat up King Tavii brawling. So channel man, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy, like up this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. You see me? Yeah man, make we get right into it and big up on yourself. So viewers and subs, as you can see, we are kick this review off with Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, the entertainer and his family made some posts to social media. You see me? It's like Vybz Kartel and his sons plus his wife took some family photo and then posted to social media, and a lot of people I wonder if the entertainer is free, but me don't think Vybz Kartel is free. Me feel like say it's just a family there at the prison, so you know say the prisoners them able to see them family and take pictures with them, because I don't know at Christmas, you see me? Yeah man, so I guess they were granted permission for the families them can come look for the prisoners them and come take pictures with them, you see me? But like I said, it's a good look in the comment section. The people them big up the family and I say, yo, big up Vybz Kartel and his kids. You see me? Yeah man, it's a good look, and I love to see say, yo, them happy at the moment, because I don't know say things hasn't been 100% for them since the year. Plus, we also see Vybz Kartel wife. Yo, I swear to God, mother see shorty, but you know, I saw think that everybody happy at the end of the day. You see me? We have to just all big them up and say, oh, Jano, alive. You see me? Yeah, man. Like I said, a lot of people happy for them. And for those who still confused, like I said, you know, I think this is a family visit. You see me? Vybz Kartel is not 100% free, but they are granted family visit. You see me? Yeah, man. So, if I no family visit, then you can let me know in the comment section, you see me? But anyways, moving on to another topic. So most of you supposed to know King Tavii. Yeah man, King Tavii is a Jamaican comedian. In my opinion, King Tavii is one of the best comedian in Jamaica. Best believe. Yeah man, that youth him talented bud. But anyways, and that will come over here so we talk about. King Tavii made a post to his IG page, IG story I should say. And him and me could know say, yo, the police them beat him up brawling. Police beat up King Tavii and lock him up. Yeah man, so King Tavii, I could know what really went down. So actually man, on a relax, I me read all of the posts, about 8 posts King Tavii made on his story. So I read all of them too, no, and I could see what really I go on. You see me? Or I could understand what really happened. You see me? Yeah man, if you reach this far, like up the video. Yeah man, like it up. Alright, so the first post it says the hashtag Jamaican Constable Force abuse them power, talking about resisting arrest. Where them arrest me for? Them pepper spray me and carry me at the Portland police station. When me reach, them a study me bank card number and me CVV number, the 3 digit at the back of the card. Me never rate that, so me call them out and say what my card have to do with this. So the entertainer went on to say the police then beat me in at the station after I called them out for a study me debit and credit cards. When me did a ask for the name of the police them where did a study me cards and where beat me in at the station, nobody no tell me no name. Them beat me and diss me for defend my rights to my bank info. Then have the audacity for map me on social events and social media. When my family came to bail me, everybody shut the F up. At first, them did a talk shit and a mock me, but when my people forward, all of that stop and have the audacity to say about me no sane and them not think me fi leave the station. Uno diss me in front of my supporters and beat me in front of uno colleagues them for a imaginary stripe. Me I ask everybody to repost this so me can get some legal assistance. Them coulda kill me in at the station. Yeah man, viewers and subs, so that's what King Tavii had to say about the whole situation. As me, yeah man, and as you can see on the screen, those are pictures of King Tavii, and it's like them beat him up badly. You see me? You can see the swelling behind the ears and the bruising on him skin. You see me? Yeah man, it don't look good at all. Like me always say, viewers and subs, there's always two sides to a story, you know? Yeah man, and King Tavii I could know film side of the story, but why would the police want to beat King Tavii like that? You see me? And the entertainer me could know say yo them a search his banking for I try get his card number, you see me? And that just sound like them a try to rob him. You see me? In the whole process, them a try to rob him and I try, And it don't look good at all, viewers and subs. Yeah man, the youth him go through a lot. I'm not gonna lie. It's obvious. But my question is that why would the police them target King Tavii and do him like that? Who don't know King Tavii? You see me? The youth him talented, different. You see me? That's why I'm saying him a one of the best comedians me ever seen in Jamaica. This a man him talented, different, best believe. But why would the police them want to be King Tavii and do him like that? You see me? And me don't know if the entertainer will get no justice out of this because I don't know say the police them more than likely I go pick up for each other and cover up for what them do. You see me? Yeah man, them a go say King Tavii behave certain way so them put on couple lick on him, you see me? Yeah man. So at the end of the day, it's like King Tavii versus the world, you see me? Yeah man, it don't look good at all. I'm not rate what the police them do to the youth, you see me? Yeah man, it don't look good at all, viewers and subs. So please do make me know and think about that. You see me? The youth I go through a lot as a comedian, as a youth you are trying at the streets, you see me? But like me said, and like me I go always say, there's always two sides to a story, you see me? Yeah, them wrong for doing him like that, Them wrong for doing him like that, but it depends, man. If King Tavii did behave certain way for them have to do him like that, you see me? So, on have to meds to viewers and subscribers. You see me? On have to meds to. King Tavii can behave certain way, make them do him like that. Or, police are be corrupt like always and them just start put on lick on the youth, you see me? But like I said, it don't look good. Me no rate what them do. And me no know if King Tavia get justice for this, but me really hope him do get justice for this because the police them can't agree on and deal with people like this, bro. Look how them deal with the youth. You see me? Yeah man. So viewers and subs, just let me know and think about that. You see me? Yeah man, let me know and think about any of the topic that I'm touch upon. And like always, if you reach this far, like up the video and subscribe to 4K Shella Energy. You see me?